What is up, y'all? I am back today with another video. And we got my boys Q60 2017 all-wheel drive. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get this door light out. Okay, so y'all are gonna need any kind of pry tool. It doesn't need to be thick. See, all of mine, they're pretty small. Doesn't matter. You can honestly use a flathead screwdriver if you wanted to. So all you gotta do is take your pry tool. You just wanna pry it right there in the top and pull it out. There you go. Don't pull on it. I'm barely just pulling on it. As you can see, the black part is staying where it's at. I'm just moving it around in its place. You wanna go ahead and the little prongs that the case is on, you want to just pull it right off like this. And boom. As you can see, none of the prongs are broken. If it'll focus. None of the prongs are broken. They're all fixed and the same. All right, so next, y'all are gonna want to just, see, I took my gloves off. You're not gonna be able to do it with gloves. You just wanna take your thumb and your index finger, boom, 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 and go up against the bulb like that. Don't wiggle too hard, but wiggle just enough. Boom, throw the light. So next, of course, you wanna take your LED or whatever light you're gonna put in here. If you do get the logo on the bottom, of course it is going to be a plastic piece just like this with the logo built in. You just want to plug it right in there. But in this case, we have a blue LED and hopefully it fits. You want to go ahead and just push it right in there and boom. No flashing, no anything. Boom, good connection. Just repeat the same thing on the other side. Got one side in, and we got the other side in. If y'all want to see more how-to videos, anything on any car, like, comment, and subscribe. Share the videos. Let me know what y'all want to see. I will be doing almost anything, everything on my channel as I explained a couple videos ago. I appreciate everybody for watching. Peace out, and I'll see y'all later.